My waist says 26. So that's an inch smaller from yesterday. I think it's because I'm doing this video in the morning time. By the end of the day, I'm usually a little bit fuller because I've been eating all day. But when you just wake up in the morning, you tend to weigh a little bit less, and your stomach is a little bit flatter. So that's 26. So that's 2 inches down from when I started at 28 inches. Hips are still at 37. Thighs are 20 and a half. Scale says 130.8. 130.8, so that's almost 5 pounds of weight loss since I started, which is pretty good. 5 pounds doesn't sound like a lot, but it's actually a good amount of weight to lose. And, it doesn't just drop off easily, you really got to work for it. So, making improvement, getting smaller, and as I said before, once I start increasing my exercise, it'll drop off faster, because I am tired of trying to lose weight. I just want to be where I want to be and not have to worry about it. Losing weight is stressful. It's fun to see the progress, but I just want to hurry up and get there and not have to do this video every day. It's been fun, but I'm kind of ready to get it finished. So I'm really going to boost my exercise time. Instead of 20 to 30 minutes a day, I'm going to do a full hour of exercise every day. That'll make a huge difference. But if you're just starting out with exercise, even just 5 minutes of running every day will make a difference. It'll make a huge difference. You just got to get your heart rate up. Okay, so feeling good, seeing improvements, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.